What's up guys, it's Max here with another truck video, and today I wanted to do an update on this Raptor Liner. I'll go ahead and link the original DIY video in the description if anybody wants to watch that. So I did this Raptor Liner just over 3 years ago, and I know I'd gotten some comments about how it is holding up. So I just wanted to do a quick update video and just kind of show everybody what it's looking like 3 years later. I do live in Phoenix, so this is actually my brother's truck, but we do live in Phoenix, so it's getting a lot of sun. He doesn't park in a carport or anything, so it's not like it's covered part of the time. As far as I can tell, it's not really fading much at all. Obviously it's a little bit just dusty here, but no real chips or anything that I can see. Everything looks to be pretty darn good. There is some lines on the roof. Those were actually there when I originally sprayed it. You can kind of see those in the original video. But yeah, overall it's holding up super well. Now obviously this is a topper, so it's not like a truck bed where it's getting debris thrown in it and having stuff rolling around on it and just getting the abuse that a truck bed gets. But it is getting a lot of sun abuse, and yeah, it's actually quite surprising how well it's held up. So maybe I'll pull a side-by-side from what it looked like originally. I can't tell for sure if it's faded at all really, but in person it doesn't really look like it's fading. So yeah, just wanted to do a little update on that. I would like to do my truck bed sometime soon, so let me know if you guys would be interested in a truck bed video or a truck bed Raptor Liner DIY. If anybody else has done this on their truck bed or on anything else, let me know in the comments what you guys think about it and how it's been holding up for you, and if you guys have been having any issues with it. But this is my first time using it, and it seemed to go on super well, and it seems like it's holding up really good. So just wanted to do an update on that. Let me know if you guys have any other questions about it, and thanks for watching.